All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today, well, you need to get creative sometime. Today what we're talking about is, well, we've all been there. Well, if you've been in this business for a while, you've been there. You don't have the special tool that the manufacturer sells, so you have to get creative. Now, sometimes you really can't. You need to get the special tool. There's no way around it. But there's other times where, well, you can get creative. Today, Billy was working on an H3 Hummer, doing a crank seal. Impacts were not working. In fact, I broke my Astro-Pneumatic stubby socket with my Milwaukee high torque. I could not fit my 3/4 impact in there, but it wasn't budging. Wound up taking the torch to it. That didn't work. Finally, wound up using my pulley holding tool from SP Tools against the frame rail, a breaker bar, and a pipe, and finally got it to break loose. The point of this story is, especially if you're paying for the special tools, now here, the boss will buy any special tool that we really need. It's a delay in the repair. Customer didn't get their vehicle back. So sometimes you need to think outside of what something's designed for. Yeah, that's a pulley holder. That harmonic balancer design is not designed for that tool. So I was taking a chance on it working. It actually did work. It was able to hold the crank steady. Now we could have gone underneath, put a pry bar in the flywheel, but I don't know how often you've had that work, because I haven't. Not my favorite option if there's other options. And on that particular design transmission, it would have been a little harder. But my point of this video is, sometimes you have to think of what available tools you have and using them in ways they're really not designed to, just to get the job done. We used that tool knowing full well that we could break the tool, break the harmonic balancer, but we didn't. We got the job done. Truck's already shipped. Crank seal's been replaced. We knew at the point of putting the torch to the bolt, the crank seal was going to have to get replaced, because if it wasn't leaking before, it was going to leak now. So just a friendly reminder that sometimes you got to get creative. It's one of my boss's favorite saying. We got to get creative. And, well, we got creative. We fixed the car. We actually have the install tool, so before anybody comments, we do have the install tool. It was installed properly. It wasn't hammered on. As always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.